Hi everybody. This video is going to show you a little bit about how to answer a couple of the questions that are in the discussion portion of your lab. I've highlighted them here in yellow so they're a little easier to see. What would the density of a 13% solution be? Show your work. What would the concentration of a solution with a density of 1.089 grams per milliliter be? Show your work. So let me minimize that and bring up the worksheet. So let's say you've filled out your worksheet, you've got all your data in here. This is the graph that we're interested in. In a previous video, I showed you how to make, how to get these little lines put in, these best fit curves. And we're going to work with one of these. And we're going to work with the one that's maybe a little more accurate. So I think that this is that for us. This is the line that fits this orange one, which represents the pipette. When you're answering your lab, you're going to want to be clear as to which one you're using. So we're going to look at this. And the equation is y equals 0.0043x plus 0.9824. And that corresponds to the density on this axis and the percentages here on this axis. That equation is important. So let's move over to the whiteboard and see what we're doing. Now that we know the equation, we can write it up here. Y is equal to 0.0043x plus 0.9824. Now that we know that, x is going to be equal to 13. And the x comes from the fact that it's on our x-axis, and that is what has our concentration. So I'm told that this is a 13% solution, so 13 is going to equal x. So y is equal to 0.0043 times 13 plus 0.9824. And we just end up solving for this. So y is equal to 1.0384. You're going to have to round that to the right number of significant figures. But that is the answer we come out with. Again, the thing you want to remember is that this number here represents our density, and this number here represents our concentration. If you know either the density or the concentration, you can get the other. I hope this was helpful. See you in class.